Good morning, students. It's class 6th English course. Today we are going to read lesson number 3, The Last Leaf. On a late spring evening, Jonathan Gaines from San Francisco, Sebastopol, was looking for a place to sit with her tray of food in hand in a small cafe in a village of Greenwich. On a late spring evening, spring is the name of a season, evening, Jonana Gaines, she's a girl, okay, she was from San Francisco, Sebastopol, looking for me searching, or she was finding a place to sit. She has a tray in hand of food, and now she is in a small cafe in village of Greenwich. Okay, it means in a village of Greenwich she was finding a place to sit. Located in a small district just west of the Washington Square in the New York City, this small and cozy residential community, cozy means warm and comfortable community, dated back to the 1820s. This Greenwich, village of Greenwich, that is located in a small district just west of the Washington Square in New York. And the place is that very cozy and warm, comfortable, and that was dated back 1820s. Today in 1899, this place was replete means filled with many colorful restaurants, theaters, shops, dotted with beautiful old bricks house here and there. It means now today's means in 1899 the village of Greenwich, it is filled with many colorful restaurants, theaters, shops, beautiful scenes, all brick houses here and there. Budding artist means the person who start their career as a artist. Okay, means starting their career as an artist. Generally came and settled down here because of its quiet and peaceful atmosphere and apartment means houses, rooms that were available on low rent. So budding artists, they generally come here in the village of Greenwich. They came here and they settled here because it was very quiet and peaceful atmosphere, and the rooms, they were available on a low rent. Junana or Johnsy, as her friends call Johnsy, and her friends call her Junana, and her friends call her Johnsy. Finally spotted a small table with two chairs with just one diner. Diner means a person who is in the restaurant for eating. Okay, so Johnsy, she found a table with two chairs and one person was already sitting there. She went up to the girl and asked her permission to join her. Johnsy, she went to the girl and asked her for sitting there. The two soon began to talk, and then the both girls started to talk. Johnsy learned that her fellow diner's name was Susan Cross or Sue, and Johnsy learned that the other girl who was sitting already there, her name was Susan Cross or nickname was Sue, and was an artist just like her, and Sue was also an artist like a Johnsy. She had come all the way to Greenwich from Maine, hoping to make a career in the creative field. And Sue, she had also come to Greenwich from Maine, and she also wanted to make her career in the artist field. Before they knew it, they two began chatting with each other, a chance meeting that turned into a solid bond of friendship. And they both began to chatting means conversation, talking, and they both met suddenly, but after that their meeting was changed in a solid bond of friendship. It means they become a best friends. Soon they two decided to share an apartment to save rent in a 3-story brick building, and then they both decided that they will share one room to save their rent, and they are living in a 3-story brick building. Sue and Johnsy went about happily with their life, which came to a sudden halt, stop during the winter month. Sue and Johnsy, they both were very happy in their life, but suddenly there was a stop in their life during the winter season. A sudden bout of pneumonia what means a period of illness. A sudden bout of pneumonia had gripped, grip means hold, the entire village in his death trap. Trap means caught. It means in the village there was pneumonia. The pneumonia was spread in the village and all the people were dying because of pneumonia. Johnsy from Sunny, California fell prey to this deadly disease, and Johnsy, she was from Sunny, California, and she was unable to face the winter season, so she also become ill just because of pneumonia. She was too weak to move or eat and kept staring. Staring means looking continuously at the black sign of the next brick house through the small window panes of her room. And Johnsy, she became fell of pneumonia, so she was very weak to move, and she also she was not eating something, and she was always looking at the blank means empty side of the next brick house, which was seen from the small window pane of her room. But you can see this is a window, and that side is called a window panes. Okay. One morning, as the doctor came to for a visit, she informs you that Johnsy had lost all desire to live, which had brought down her chances to survival on a scale of 1 to 10. And one morning, doctor came to check Johnsy, and he informs you that Johnsy had lost all desire means wish. Okay, it means she had no desire to live now, and there is only 1 out of 10 chances to her survival. He inquired whether Johnsy wanted to do anything in particular in her life, and he inquired that maybe Johnsy wanted to do something special in her life. When she informed him that Johnsy had always wanted to paint the Bay of Naples. Bay of Naples means a leaf of Naples. This is the name of a leaf. The doctor rubbish harboring such desire and asked. Rubbish means बच्चे rejected. Harboring means believing such desire, and asks you, does she have a man in her life who can still means to make feeling something, some hope in her life. And when doctor asks that maybe she is wanted to do something special in her life, then she informed doctor that she wanted to paint a Bay of Naples in her life. Then doctor rejected this, and he said that this is not true. He rejected this believing. He said this is not a reason. Then doctor asked you, does she have a man in her life who can give her hope in her life to live? A man, doctor? How can a man help? No, there is no man in her life, said and expected means angrily. Okay, then she said man. She said how can a man help Johnsy? There is no man in her life, and she was very angry. Well, find her something, give her something to look forward to life. Then doctor said okay, then you find some other way to give her hope to live alive. And saying so, the doctor left, leaving a clueless Sue trying to find way to help her friend. And after saying this, doctor moved from there, and Johnsy left there without any clue that how she can save her friend. She went into her workroom, and then Sue, she went into her workroom where she was painting and cried for some time. A few minutes later means after, a few minutes after, she gathered herself. It means she stopped weeping, went to Johnsy's room and found her counting 10, 9, 8, 7. And then she found Johnsy. She was counting, back counting 10, 9, 8 and 7.